Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to clearly explain you how to apply for the NIPER JEE 2025 clearly. So you can watch this in your favorite language, either Hindi or any other language, by clicking on the settings and click on audio track, select your language. So this is basically in English. You can dub this into your favorite language or your local language. So first of all, coming to how to apply for this. So after visiting the NIPER JEE 2025 website, then click on the NIPER JEE online registration link. After clicking, you will get these following tabs: application fee payment, know your payment status. So first of all, you need to pay the fee. After fee payment, you need to know your payment status. If the payment is successful, then you can fill the application form and print the application form. So NIPER fee payment, so the following details are required for fee payment: your registration number, like your I will tell you detail. Registration number is nothing but your university hall ticket number, and a candidate name as per Aadhaar card, as per matriculation means 10th class, and date of birth as per matriculation, and your mobile number and email ID. So this email ID is very important. So this is the mail ID for all further communications from NIPER JEE. So please use a valid email ID and select you are applying for. So you are applying for MS or MPharm MBA session 1, MTech or PG diploma session 2, MS Pharm or PhD all courses. So suppose apply for the PhD, then you select your category: social category, OBC, general, SC, ST, and payment mode, net banking. So following payment modes are there: credit card, debit card, net banking. And proceed for fee payment by click on the declaration. Select the declaration and proceed for the fee payment. So after fee payment, you will be directed for this know your payment status, or you can directly visit the registration page and click on know your payment status. Enter your payment reference ID and your mobile number and your date of birth, and proceed to fill the application. So then you will be, after filling the application, you can print your application form. So how to fill this all, they have provided a user guide. Here you can see, you can download this from the NIPER JEE website. I will go a little bit fast so that it won't be a tedious video. So coming to the mandatory details required, so following details are required for applying. So for a payment of fee, you need a credit card, debit card or net banking details, and a qualifying degree rule number as per NIPER JEE 2025 criteria. So documents to be referred are marks memo or hall ticket number of qualifying examination, and date of birth. For this you need SSC certificates and course applied. So you can check the your eligibility mentioned in the brochure present in the home page. And next, details required: your category, caste certificate issued by the MTO or competent authority. Those who are applying, appearing for the GATE or GPAT exam, you can directly apply, and GPAT results are declared, you need to upload your scorecard before proceeding for admissions. So these are some system requirements: internet browser, Internet Explorer 6.1 above or Google Chrome, and PDF reader, Acrobat, browser settings. So as I already mentioned you how to pay the fee payment, so you will go to the application fee payment, and you will enter the click on the application fee payment and enter the details as I already explained you previously. After that, know your payment status will apply, and your payment done successfully, you can proceed to fill the application form. Know your payment status. So check the payment status. Payment status is will appear success. If it appears success, then you can proceed to fill the online application form. Enter the payment reference ID, mobile number, date of birth. Proceed to fill application form. So application form consists of your name, father name, mother name, social category, date of birth. Upload 10th class certificate or SSC certificate. Choose a file, and gender and the parents annual income you need to reveal here. Minority status, blood group, nationality, email ID, mobile number, parents contact number. Upload SSC or OBC caste certificate PDF, and Aadhaar seeded with bank account, yes or no. You need to check your whether Aadhaar is linked with your bank account. If not linked, you can go to the bank. It will be, they will easily do it for you in a day. And do you come under creamy layer, non creamy layer, you need to select address details, educational details, and bank details, and identity proofs, and center. You need to select the center preference: Mumbai, Patna, Lucknow, like that. And you need to upload your photograph and signature. So once you fill the application, you can preview or submit, or you can save it, and you can fill it again. If you want to fill the application form later, you can save it. Then after that, if you proceed to submit, you can preview or submit, and you can select the submit button. modify or submit. If you want to make any changes, you can select modify. If you want to submit, no changes are there, submit. After that, you can print the application form. So finally application form will be like this. So these are the step by step procedure on how to apply for NIPER JEE 2025. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.